So I'm currently in Bangkok, Thailand. If you're coming from UK, Singapore like myself, or Malaysia and other parts of the world that uses these type of adapters, you will need a universal adapter like this one. This is how the Thailand socket is. So the head that I have is this. This is my handphone charger, which unfortunately, as you can see, I'm going to show you. It doesn't go in. It's too big. And even my laptop is the same thing. It's not going to go in. Which brings me to something that is very valuable, especially when you travel. A universal adapter. Now this one, as you can see, it's got, where is this? You have your Australia, your US, your UK and your Europe ports. So all you gotta do is, you push up the button. This is your Australian one. Obviously it doesn't fit. And let's try the US one. Can you see it? And this is a matching set, as you can see the light. So the funny thing is, I actually almost forgot to bring this on my trip. So imagine that if I didn't bring it, I would have to be running around trying to find where I can buy this. And the good thing about this too, let me just show you. If I can pull it out. Okay. It actually has ports that I can use, connect my cables to directly. So this is my handphone cable. I think it's a type C. And I'm going to put that in to charge. And voila! It works. And also another thing, the funny thing about the apartment that I'm renting in currently, it has like 1 million sockets, but I only have one universal adapter. So imagine trying to get your laptop and your phone, and then my friend's laptop as well charging. Thankfully, this came in handy. So this is an external adapter that has more power points that we can connect to. And you can add, multiple sockets in to charge. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see how it's working. And there we go. 2 very important things when you travel. Firstly, check out what sockets the country uses. And even if they use the same thing, these 2 devices would really help you wherever you go, even if you don't know. So one, a universal adapter. You can take something like that, which has your USB cables and then multiple countries, all the different types of socket types, and an external, I don't know what these called. I'm essentially not into these things, so if you know what this is, just let me know so you can, these 2 things. Bye now.